Hey again. If you watched that short earlier and you're wondering what I was building, this is it right here. It's your basic 2x4 planter stuck on 30-inch legs with a little shelf underneath it. If you're keeping track, it's about 14 pickets for this one here. I've already got a video out there on my channel for how to build the 2x4, so pretty much same thing, just bigger. Pretty much just showing you this because I want to take a break before I haul in another load of wood from Lowe's and figure out how to fit it on my wood pile, which is kind of blocked in by a bunch of stuff that is purchased, but they need to pick up their stuff. But running out of room in here, very small shop. And for the person that asked, yes, that is a Ron Paul sign up there, 2008, campaign form from 2012 as well. And what could have been. All right, y'all have a good one. I'm out.